skirt, we gon' bang it till it hurts. Woody word, in the skirt, in the skirt, we gon' bang it till it hurts. Woody word, in the skirt, in the skirt, we gon' bang it.
Hey, g'day guys, how you going? It's Justin Allen here with my Good Advice channel, here to give you good advice for a better future. Right, today I'm talking about how to make a cool protein shake, a natural one. Forget protein powders, they're just crap. They're no good for you, it's all processed. Why would you bother? You pay like $150 for a huge tub, and before you know it's over. I'll show you how to make a natural protein shake coming up now. So guys, to make a protein shake, I just use natural oats, full cream milk, a small banana, 3 eggs, some roasted almonds, 3 strawberries, and a handful of blueberries. And over here we've got the NutriBullet. So guys, you basically just all whip it all together, crack some eggs. Normally about 6 grams of protein in the eggs, so that's 6, 12, 18. You've got a bit of oats, got a bit of milk, and the almonds. It all adds up. It's easily around 28 grams of protein here. You always use the roasted almonds. The other ones just won't blend very well and might be a bit too crunchy. I recommend the roasted ones, not non-roasted. Just half a scoop. Oats have got natural BCAAs in there. Natural BCAAs are very good for you. Bit of milk. Just need to try and make it about 500 mils. And the best time to have a protein shake is after your workout, of course, because your body absorbs the protein much quicker. And you just whip it in the NutriBullet and all done. There you go guys, that's how you make a natural protein shake. Alright guys, have a great day, bye.
That's right.